Ivy. This is Evie, people, but you already knew that. Everybody knows Eve.
And that's Macaroni right there.
Trixie's been throwing up a lot lately, so kind of pray for her if you could. Or hasn't been feeling good lately. I'm like switching her food. Maybe that was it, but she's still been throwing up. I might have to take her to the vet. She's been throwing up a lot lately. Her little belly's been upset. Just give her a little kitty prayer. My baby. Yeah. Little Trixie. And Eve. Eve feel good. I ain't seeing Evie throw up. Keep my little kitty in your prayers. Hey, girls. My girls. Evie. And Trixie. Sorry. Yep, not much going on. Yep. Trixie. Trixie. Key.
See, I'm sleepy. Hey, don't wake me up.
Eve's awake, so I guess I'll show Eve. Eve, wake. You awake, Evie? Huh? No, what do you mean no? You seem awake, pretty awake to me. Oh, now she's laying back down. Ow, they're going night-night. Oh, where's my... Oh my god, excuse me. Well, my cats are going to sleep, so... Yeah. Now Evie's taking a bath. Not very fascinating, huh? Move that to you, Trixie. You guys say bye? Say bye, Evie. Say bye, Eve. Evie, say bye. Evie. Say bye. Say bye, Trixie. Say bye. Okay. Oh.